Good evening, guys. This is Finra playing in Operation Hurricane. This will be the Comintern turn 5. And we don't have a whole lot to do this turn, actually. We will be influencing, we will be lend-leasing supplies and saving 5, so we will be at 13 at the end of the round. CCP, not doing anything, we can't do anything, but this one here will be upgraded at the end of the turn, so that's nice. And I will save my money, to be honest. Hopefully we'll get something. Spain, the only thing that will happen is that we move here. We will not attack. And just bide our time. USSR. Everything is now back home. Love it. And this one here will be going 1, 2, 3. I have that one there. That's perfect. And these will be moving up. These can move down again. Moving down. And that is fine. Good. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to do actually. So this one here can move up here. This one here can move out. These two will move up. Yeah. Good. That was our moves. I will do the roll and see what happens. That's insanely incredible unlucky for both me and for the Japanese players, but that just means that now Beijing and Hopei just turned into KMT. So that's 2 12s in a row. That's insane, to be honest. And I didn't get my improved construction. Yeah. We did get another roll down for Spain, so here we go. And no tech roll, so that was basically it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Oh, I forgot to upgrade this one here. It should have been upgraded to another infantry. And let's deliver. not a Soviet cavalry, that was supposed to be a Republican cavalry, like this. And where did I put it? Here it is. Done. Thank you for watching.